Trucking logistics constantly face trip creation inefficiencies and complex client-vendor management, especially with manual invoice allocation. SpendFlow tackles this operational drag using 4 key features. Swiftly create trips, vendors, and clients. To start your setup, navigate to More and select Team to invite members and assign roles. User for submissions or Admin for full control. This ensures proper workflow and accountability. Access the Create New Trip screen to begin setup. Assign the trip to a team user. The type is automatically set to Trip. Enter the required trip name and unique trip code for easy identification and expense categorization. Set your start date and end date using the calendar picker. Define your route by entering start location and end location cities. Add the total distance with preferred units, kilometers or miles. Include trip purpose for expense categorization and budget amount for cost tracking. Review all details for completeness, then click Create to save your trip for logistics expense management. Creating a new client in SpendFlow helps organize expenses by customer. Access the Create New Client screen to begin client setup. Start by assigning the client to a user from your team members. The type is automatically set to Client. Enter the required client name and unique client code for identification and tracking purposes. Add comprehensive contact information, client's email address for communication, phone number for direct contact, and complete business address for invoicing and correspondence. Review all entered information for accuracy, then click Create to save your new client to the system for expense tracking. Creating a new vendor in SpendFlow is straightforward. Access the Create New Vendor screen to begin the setup process. Start by assigning the vendor to a user from your team members. Enter the required vendor name and unique vendor code. Choose the vendor type from 3 categories: supplier for products, service for professional services, or contractor for project-based work. Add essential business information, vendor's tax ID for compliance tracking, complete business address, contact email, and phone number. Set payment terms like net 30 or due on receipt to manage cash flow expectations. Toggle the Preferred Vendor option to prioritize frequently used suppliers. Once all information is complete, click Create to save your new vendor to the system for expense management. Transform your expense workflow with SpendFlow's powerful intelligent default system. Simply mark any client, vendor, or event as your preferred default using the star option. Upon scanning, SpendFlow's advanced AI instantly assigns receipts to your star defaults, eliminating manual categorization and mitigating errors. Export functionality integrates seamlessly with your accounting systems. Filter expenses by date, categories, or team members. Then export to Sage, Xero, FreshBooks, or as CSV and Excel formats. This eliminates double data entry and maintains financial consistency. Advanced Analytics transforms expense data into business intelligence. Generate customized reports identifying profitable departments and cost centers. These insights enable strategic decision-making, optimize spending patterns, and focus resources on high-performing segments for sustainable growth. Focus resources on business expansion while SpendFlow manages administrative tasks. Download SpendFlow today and transition your expense management to automated efficiency.